Hey, what's up guys, it's Jaffer here once again, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how to do SKRILL dollar arbitrage and make at least 5,000 naira daily profit. I'm going to be showing you everything live and direct. All right, I'm going to use my real funds. You see me moving funds from my bank account to SKRILL to another platform where I'm going to make at least 5,000 naira daily profit. All right, so what are the things, or what are the basic requirements for this arbitrage business to work for you? All right, so this arbitrage strategy to work for you, one of the requirement is GT bank account. Let me put wide. All right, one of the requirement is GT bank mastercard or bank account. All right, but this is optional, but for the purpose or the course of the video, along the course of this video, I'm going to be using my GT bank mastercard. All right, because this is where we are going to be getting what's it called, dollars at a very cheap rate, and move it to another platform where you are going to exchange it at a very high rate. All right, so I'm going to show you everything step by step. So another requirement we need for this arbitrage strategy to work is SKRILL account. You need a verified SKRILL account, so make sure you verify your SKRILL account with your what is it called, ID. It can be passport, it can be voter's card, or it can be national ID or something like that, but I prefer you use passport or national ID card. All right, or driving license also work. All right, so another requirement is another platform where we're even going to make the arbitrage strategy more profitable. It is called gray.co. All right, so these are the basic requirements. I will explain everything to you step by step along the course of the video, so keep watching. All right, what's up guys, welcome back to the video. So as you can see right now, I'm inside my GT bank account. So these are the funds that we are going to be using for our SKRILL dollar arbitrage. I'm going to be explaining everything to you step by step, so it is very important you watch the video up to the end, because there are certain tips I will reveal to you along the course of the video that if you miss those tips, the arbitrage is not going to work for you. All right, the arbitrage is not going to work for you. So it is very important you stay with me and watch this video step by step up to the very end. All right, so as you can see, this is my GT bank account, and these are the funds, 7,600 naira, that we are going to be using for our dollar arbitrage. I will show you everything live and direct, and how I was able to make profit live and direct. So now that we know the funds that we're going to be using for our dollar arbitrage, the next thing is to visit Play Store and just search for SKRILL. All right, as I told you, we are going to be using SKRILL for our dollar arbitrage. All right, so if this is your first time visiting Play Store, you just need to download this app. As you can see, this is the app. So if this is your first time seeing the app, you just click install, and it will be automatically installed into your phone. So this is the first app we're going to use. Then the second app is called gray.io. all right, the second app is called gray.io. I don't know why it is doing me like this. All right, this is the second app. I have a video that taught how to create an account with this website. I will leave a link in the description box below. So this is the second platform that is going to be we are going to be sending our SKRILL funds to this platform to make it more profitable. All right, so this is the second platform called gray.co. all right, so now let me move to SKRILL. Right, your verification was successful. Okay, this is a message from SKRILL. All right, let's continue. So what is it? Sorry, where's my SKRILL? Let me go to SKRILL. All right, so let me log into my SKRILL account and show you everything. Let me put my password and we'll move on. So stay with me and let's watch this video up to the end, and watch the video up to the end. Again, if you are getting tons of value, smash the like button, and if you are yet to subscribe or this is the first time visiting my channel, please smash the red subscribe button. All right, so now let's wait for my SKRILL account or dashboard to load. All right, sorry, there's no transaction yet. So the next thing I want to do is to once inside the SKRILL account, all right, is just to click send. All right, just watch what I'm trying to do. Then you see SKRILL to SKRILL, international money transfer, request for money. Then you click international money transfer. All right, so you land somewhere here. All right, you land somewhere here. All right, so the next thing you want to send from Nigerian naira. As I told you, we are going to be using our GT bank account. As my case, I'm going to be using my GT bank account. All right, so let's say for instance I want to transfer $10. Let me use $10 for this arbitrage, and you see. And the next thing is to send the recipient country. So we're going to use GBP, that's Great British Pounds. All right, as you can see, this is Great British Pounds. All right, so I want to use $10 for this particular arbitrage strategy. All right, so the next thing we want to do is to click deliver to a bank account, or I think pay with, let me see, deliver to a bank account or pay with debit card. So I'm gonna use pay with debit card. All right, I want to use pay with debit card. Then you click continue. All right, you click continue. All right, sender ID, you choose, let me choose my passport. Let me choose my passport. Then let me write my passport number. Let me quickly grab my passport. All right, let me put my passport number quickly. All right, so let's continue. So I just inserted my passport number. Let me see, 228-315. all right, I think it's correct. So the next thing I want to do is just click continue. So I hope you are following the video. Let's go. We are progressing. All right, so in the new recipient, you click send to solve, this first option. All right, send to solve. All right, this is my names. All right, and the account number. Since I'm sending to my GBP, so this is where the second platform comes into play. That's Grid.co. So now I'll move to Grid, which is this particular platform. Then I'll get into my account. Then I will grab my GBP bank details. As you know, this particular platform will give you a US bank account, a UK bank account, and pounds bank account that you can use for your daily arbitrage business. All right, so now the next thing, once inside your Grid account, you click account. All right, you click accounts. The network is somehow slow, but let's be patient for it to load my bank details. Network is somehow slow today. Why? Let me refresh this thing. Home. Let me go to accounts. All right, it's uploaded. So as you can see, this is my Euro bank account. As you can see, this is my Great British Pounds bank account, and this is my United States dollar bank account. So for this arbitrage business, we are going to be using Great Britain Pounds because it's even more profitable. So all I have to do is to copy my bank details. As you can see, let me just copy, then I'll move back to SKRILL and paste my bank details here. As you can see, here is where I will put my account number. All right, so I'll paste my bank details here. So the next thing is to go back to Grid and copy the sort code. If you scroll down, once inside your Grid account, and you under your banks, you see a sort code, like a 6-digit code or something like that. As you can see, this is sort code. So I'll just copy my sort code here. I'll copy, then I'll go back to SKRILL, then I will paste. All right, I will paste. Then the next thing I want to do is to click continue. All right, debit card delivery can take up to 1 business day. All right, let me see. Delivery up to 1 business day. Debit card, you send $10. Exchange rate 1.0. All right, so it is fine. Since they say it's gonna take us 1 business day, it's fine. So recipient details, these are my details. So I'll just click send. Okay, which is continue.
So here is where I'm going to input my card details. All right, so for security reasons, this place will be blank because I'm going to input my card details. All right, because I don't want my card details to be exposed online. So let me quickly input my card details. 53698 2 68 9 5126. Then let me input expiry date. But if you are working on your own account, it's not going to be black. I only made this place blank or black page because of security reasons. All right, so once I finish inputting my card, the video will restore.
After doing passing that stage, the next step is you'll see a pop-up notification where you are going to enter a one-time password. So let me quickly grab the one-time password. As you can see, the one-time password is 388074. all right, so I'll just put it here. 388 watts 074. So 074. So this is the one-time password you'll be asked to include here on this step. So the next thing you want to do is just to click submit. All right, so let's see if this transaction will go. All right, let's wait for it. We are processing. Wow, payment successful. Your money is on its way. Jafar Mazblari will receive this transaction. All right, so that's good. So the next thing is to wait for a couple of hours to see if the transaction will literally reflect in our gray account, which is on this particular account. So I will expect in the next couple of hours, I will expect the money. Let me go back to home. Here. I will expect the money to reflect inside my gray account. All right, I will expect the money to reflect inside my gray account. So I will be back immediately when the money has reflected. All right, so welcome back to the video. So it is exactly 48 hours when SKRILL send my funds from SKRILL to my gray account. All right, as you can remember, we did a transaction of 10 USD, and as you can see, I received an email from SKRILL that the transaction is not successful. And remember, this dollar arbitrage strategy is extremely profitable because SKRILL are not going to charge you a single fee when sending your funds from SKRILL to your gray account. As you can see, the transaction is absolutely free. Okay, how cool is that? All right, so that's why this dollar arbitrage is so amazing using SKRILL. So at this point, it's important to note that your transaction, when sending your funds from SKRILL to gray, it can take any time between 24 to 48 hours. All right, so don't panic when you just send you send your funds from SKRILL to gray and it didn't reflect within hours. It can take 24 to 48 hours. This is extremely important. Again, if I move to my second Gmail or email address, as you can see, gray have literally notified me that my funds have reflected inside my account. All right, as you can see, hi Jafar, your GBP wallet has been funded successfully. As you can see, this is the funds we sent from our gray account from our SKRILL account, to our let me go back. Okay, this is the font we send. What am I doing? Sorry. Transaction successful. Wallet funding. Okay, so this is the equivalent of 10 USD, which we converted to GBP inside our SKRILL account that has been funded to our GBP gray account. All right, so now if I move to gray, if I move to gray and click let's see, is this transactions? If I click transactions, let me go to balance swappies. As you can see, so gray have literally charged us a little funds, a little amount for our for our GBP or our pounds. All right, so it was 7.5 something, but it just charged us around 0 point something GBP, which is negligible, as you can see. So the equivalent we are going to receive in naira is 5,419.52. You can see the transaction has already been completed. All right, so now let's see if we have really made profit using this particular arbitrage system. So if I move to my bank account, all right, sorry, let me log in again. If I move to my bank account, as you can see, my initial balance was around 7,600 and something, but if you look at this first transaction, it implies minus 4,900. So it seems the official dollar rate inside my GT bank account is 490 per dollar. Get that into consideration. It's 490 per dollar. So the total amount SKRILL charge my bank account is 4,900 naira. All right, at the rate of 490 naira per dollar. And if we move to gray, as you can see, we have received 5,419.52. all right, we have already made more than 500 naira profit. How cool is that? All right, that's one interesting aspect of this arbitrage system. As you can see, live and direct, I've shown you everything. We have made a profit of over 500 naira for just $10 transaction. So let me bring out my calculator. Let me bring out my, where's my calculator? Okay, this is my calculator. All right, if I say, since, let me, gray have literally converted our GBP, that's our $10 to 5,419, all right, minus the amount SKRILL charge our bank account for this arbitrage system. As you can see, 4,900. all right. So I'll say minus 4,900. As you can see, we have made a profit of 519 naira. How cool is that? For just $10 transaction though. For just $10 transaction, we have made 519 naira. All right, so let's take for instance, we do this transaction at least 10 times. That's for $100. For $100, let me see, times 10. As you can see, we have a profit of 5,190 naira. How cool is that? So for every 100 dollar transaction you did from your SKRILL to gray account, you're gonna make a profit of 5,000 naira. And if you can do it for $1,000, let's say times 10, you can have a profit of 551,000 naira daily profit. I know you have gotten tons of value. Please smash the like button on this video. All right, smash the like button on this video because I know you have gotten tons of value. And if you're yet to subscribe, hit that red subscribe button. Let's push this channel to 10,000 subscribers. All right, so this is how to do dollar arbitrage with SKRILL, with your SKRILL account and your gray account. As simple as that. Remember the rate of gray account. If I move to home, if I move to, as you can see, they are giving us at 582. Since it is GBP is 730 and dollar today is 582. So this is an amazing platform that you don't want to miss out. All right, again, smash the like button if you have gotten tons of value. And if you have any questions regarding this video, please go to the comment section down below and write your question. All right, I will respond within the next 24 to 48 hours. If you have any question, go to the comment section down below and write your question and I will respond. All right, so guys, that's how to do dollar arbitrage business with your SKRILL and gray account. All right, I have shown you everything live and direct with the funds we use and how to convert the funds, how to send the money from SKRILL to gray, and so on and so forth. So take advantage of this arbitrage system and make money for yourself. Thank you once again, and we'll meet in the next one.